Welcome to mobile web design. If you clicked the start button and you clicked the link to watch the video, here you are watching the video. And the course doesn't officially open until the end of this week, and the official start date is next week. But I wanted to give you the opportunity to take a few days to go through the Blackboard site and become familiar with the content. You've already discovered what's in the Start Here page, so we'll skip by that. There will occasionally be announcements. This announcement is, again, just welcome to the course. Instructor information includes how you can reach me, my phone number, my email, and my office location at the TrueX campus here in Madison. There is a link for course info and documents. Please read through all of this information. The course information folder is an introduction to specifically what our class is about. And then beyond that, there's information for how you can get help using Blackboard, as well as some really cool websites to read up on for mobile web design. And you don't have to read these right now. It's simply to let you know that there will be an area for resources and things for you to use as references. There is a link to our syllabus. I would love for you to read this prior to the course so that you understand all of the expectations, the gradings, how it fits in with Madison College's core abilities, and really everything to do with the class. Each week on Friday, the content for the following week will be released. So Friday of this week, I will release the videos and the readings and the actual assignment for you to work on. Again, on Friday, that will happen. And it will look basically like this. You will click open that week's folder. Right now, there's just some basic information for how to get started. But the real meat of it will come on Friday. If at any time you have a need to contact me or another student, here is a send email, and this may look different for you. I am logged in as the instructor, so it's possible that you might not even have this link. So let me just move back to that and say, if you need to contact me, instructor information section would be the way to go. I do have a small exercise that I would like you to work on prior to our class starting. And this project, or this little mini assignment, is meant to serve two purposes. First, it's an introduction, letting us know just a little bit about yourself. And then it's an opportunity for you to work with the discussions. The discussions area is the #1 way that we will communicate with each other and for you to provide feedback to your classmates. The discussion board works by me creating forums. So every week there may be a forum related to the topic that I would like you to respond to. And this week, this pre-week, is a class introduction. So I will be creating the forums and you create threads inside of the forum. So this week you're creating a new thread to introduce yourself to the class. And please include an image. This will give you practice knowing how to find and include an image. Of course, I would love this to be a picture of you so I can see what you look like, but if you're uncomfortable with that, put out a picture of your pet or your favorite place to visit or food that you love. Anything's fine. Don't get too hung up on that. I just want you to have practice first and foremost. I would like you to write 3 unusual facts about yourself and try to do this early on within the next few days. Let a few days go by, and then revisit this forum and read through the threads. I would like you to then comment on at least 4 of your classmates' introductions, and it's as simple as that. So let's just go through this. You begin by clicking the class introduction forum, and currently I'm the first person to create a thread in there. So you'll see mine in here and possibly some of your other classmates when it's your turn to create your thread. But creating a thread is as simple as creating a thread, and the subject will be Penny Aguilera intro. Hi, be very friendly. the whole discussion is very word processing like, and if you've used Blackboard, you're probably familiar with this already, so I won't spend too much time. But if I want to introduce an image into my thread, there is an icon that says Insert Image, and I can I'm encountered with this window which will let me browse my computer, and I need to find an image of myself, so I'm going to do a little searching. I'm on a Mac, so this might look a little different for you if you are a PC user. Let's see what I have here. Penny.jpg. That one. Oh, how about that one? Okay, I'll open that. And if it was really giant, maybe head over to the Appearance tab and just kind of take a look and see if it's anything over, say, 500 by 500, maybe go ahead and reduce the sizes of this and leave the constraint proportions on. Otherwise, it's going to be really, really big when it shows up on the Blackboard site. I'm going to insert that, and it might give me some information about not having an alt tag, and I'm okay with that for now. So there's my picture. Hi, I'm Penny. I am the instructor for this class. And here are 3 unusual things about me. And you can do this however you want. Just note that there is a list feature that could help you out. So 1, I like every food that is the color orange. And if we were in the real classroom, you could quiz me endlessly about that, and I do like all orange. I have never been on a motorcycle. And 3, I got braces this summer, and I hate them. Okay, so there's my image. There are my 3 things. I will submit that. And it becomes a thread. So the next time you or someone else comes into discussions, you might not see my thread until you actually open up the forum. Right now it's saying that there's 1 total post, 1 total participant being me. But when I open up the class introductions, here is my thread. You should see my thread now because I've just created it, and you may see other people's threads if you're not the first person to go through this. When I click on and read the thread, oh, look at that, how interesting. And I would really like to reply to that now. So I can hit the reply button, and then I could say something like, hi, Penny. Whoops, bad typer. I love motorcycles. You should try it sometime. Or whatever you want to say. It doesn't have to be a lot in terms of a reply, but do hit reply, submit that, and that's a reply. I'm actually going to cancel because that would be not a great reply. Okay, so that's it. So just in summary, your whole pre-workup for this week is going through Blackboard, reading the materials, and then adding a thread to the discussion board. Please let me know if you have any questions at all.